Mr. Hideki Takizawa TOBE member IMP makes its world debut. Japan trend first plays 14 minutes after delivery on X. You're watching it live today. At the end of this video, we'll share some video clips. 7-member boy group IMP made its global debut on 18th with a digital single CRUISIN. On the 18th at midnight, just 14 minutes later, CRUISIN reached number 1 in Japan trend on X. The MV, released on the official YouTube channel, received more than 4,000 comments in about 30 minutes of its release. Congratulations on your world debut, IMP. I hope many people around the world will know your IMP songs. It was very good with a catchy and light melody. I will always support him. Words have been sent. IMP is a 7-person group consisting of Raja Sato. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel on YouTube and Facebook.